Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends.
Hello friends, welcome back to Amazing Men's World. In this video I have come up to show making of this beautiful designing polished with the beads, kundan and Zardossi, which is exclusively designed for the bridal or the party wear collection. So without wasting time, let's quickly start with this designing. I'll be using the flower rings. This is how it looks. Applying the glue in this shape of flower, like this 3 dots in the center followed with the 2 dots on either sides to create the flower shape. The bunch of flowers pattern has to be designed in the center of this leaf. So to make that, firstly we'll create a single flower like this. Now all around this I'll make the same flowers which I have shown now. Applying the glue dots, I'll stick these rings. The materials which I am gonna use for this designing is easily available in the fancy or the tailoring material shops, or the links has been provided in the description box for your convenience. And these rings also available in different sizes and also different shapes. As per your requirement, you can also choose this. I have chosen this because it really gives the look like the Zardossi string stitch all around, so no need of working with the Zardossi. We can use these rings so that you'll get the same finishing. So one side has been done. The same way I'll create to another side also. Locating the centers, I'll create 2 flowers here so that the complete bunch of flowers will be done in the center of this sleeve pattern. This also you can design on the neckline by making these flowers followed with the stem work, which I'm gonna show now. This type of patterns will really look like we have to create with very hard work, but believe it or not, this is so simple design that you can create it easily. If you know the pattern how to create it, you can try this for the sleeves or for the necklines or for any types of booty designing. Whatever you wish, you can also try this on the suits in front of the kurti, like making this bunch in the center followed with the leaves work. Now exactly in the center, I'll stick the small size of kundans followed with the golden beads on these rings. So applying the glue exactly in the center to stick these golden beads, and here I'll be using the golden beads of small size. Instead of golden beads, you can also use the rhinestones or any color beads matching to your garments, which will really give the stylish and beautiful flower appeal. Once the bunch is done, this is how it looks. This will take some time to dry. In the meantime, I'll show you how to give the markings to complete this designer pattern, and this is so simple. Now from here I'll give the markings. Here I'll be using the normal pencil. You can use marker or any types of pencil. To make you visible, I'll be using here normal pencil of HB. So the stem work followed with the leaves. This is how we have to create the pattern. Both the sides has to be done with the same leaf designing, and in the same way next to this the flower bunch followed with the leaf. This is how the complete pattern has to be done. So the center one I'd be showing here, followed you can also try by giving the expansion. Here I'd be using gold chain ball lace for the designing of the stem work. These chain ball also available in different sizes, different colors. You can choose as per your requirement, that means the garment color. Now applying the glue lines like this, I'll stick the chain ball lace. Firstly we have to measure the length of the stem, then we need to cut it accordingly. I'd be applying the glue to stick the chain ball lace here. Instead of chain ball lace you can also use the stone lace and other pearl laces, which will really give an expensive designer look. So little by little, measuring this length accordingly, we'll have to cut it, and then applying the glue, the complete design has to be elevated like this. Now I'll be highlighting the leaf work also using these chain ball laces. So now measuring this length of the leaf, that means two sides, I'll cut the chain ball lace, applying the glue, I'll stick it. So this is how the stem work and the leaf work has to be done. The same way I'll design it to another side also. Now further extending this design by creating the bunch of flowers here. So I'll remove the frame, then I'll create the bunches here to show you how the design will look. I would be creating here one single flower. The same way I'll stick the kundan in the center, followed with the golden beads. And for the leaf filling, I'll be using gold color Zardosi string of small size. This I'll hold the end of the strings like this and I'll cut in this size. This is of very small size. Here I'd be using the cotton silk thread and 9 number hemming needle for the stitching of Zardosi string and giving the padded load stitch here. Firstly, I'll give an invisible stitches randomly so that the chain ball lace will not come out even after the frequent washes. So this is how we have to give the chain ball lace invisible stitches on the chain ball lace. And next the filling of these leaves will be done with the Zardosi strings which I have cut. a little bigger size of Zardozi string I'll stitch in the center, and 4 to 5 strings has to be stitched by overlapping on that string like this. This is how we have to give the padded load stitch for the filling of the leaves. The same way I'll design with the Zardozi string to fill in these leaves using the Zardozi string, and this is how the complete pattern has to be designed. And once completed, this is Please hit the like icon to support my efforts. Also do share this video in your computer circles, may be useful to others. Thank you so much for watching friends. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Minds World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Please do also hit the bell icon to receive future notifications.